Hi, I'm Tom Gleason from ProTech Auto Repair. Welcome to our car care clinic where we're going to give you some tips to keep you and your cars safe on the road. One of the very frustrating things about a car is if you were to have a flat tire. Do you know what to do and how to safely change the tire so that you can get off the road and onto your destination without having to sit for hours waiting for a tow truck? The first thing, if you should have a tire problem, is to find a safe place to pull over as level as possible so that you can work on the car without it being dangerous. The next thing is, consult your owner's manual. It'll show you where the spare tire and jack are located and where to place the jack. On this car, I'll show you how to change the tire and to do it safely. We slide the jack under to the location that it's supposed to be lifted on and then crank the jack up so that it starts to lift the car. But before I get it jacked up in the air, we have to get the lug nuts loose, and having the tire on the ground will make that much easier. So with the lug wrench, put it on the nuts and turn them loose. Now that can be very difficult for people because these are tight. So a little trick to doing that is to put it on, and if I stand up and just use my foot to get it loose, it's going to be much easier. So I'm going to continue around loosening all of the lug nuts, and then I'll jack it up so that the tire comes off the ground. Now that we've got the car up so that the tire is loose from the ground, we can go ahead and take the lug nuts completely off. Now the spare tire that most cars have is a temporary tire. It's only made to get you to where you need to go to get your tire replaced, and it should not be operated at more than 50 miles an hour and is kept at 60 pounds of pressure. So again, this is just a temporary tire to get you to a service station or a tire repair shop to have the tire problem corrected. Start all the lug nuts. Now once you've got the lug nuts started finger tight, take your wrench, snug them up, and it's good to go in a cross pattern so that the wheel is pulled up evenly. Now that we've got the lug nuts snugged up with the wrench, we're going to lower the jack and get the tire on the ground to do the final tightening. Now once again, if it's easier for you, you can use your foot to get these lug nuts as tight as you can. And I'm going in a cross pattern in order to get even torque across the wheel. Now this will get you down the road to the nearest tire repair shop where you can either have your tire repaired or replaced and put back on the car.